guys, Marshall Kirby from Orchard Hill Farm Equipment. Today behind us we have a Kioti CK2610 HST with the KB2475L backhoe. We've had a lot of requests lately to take on and off a backhoe on a Kioti and see how simple it is. So today we're going to show you exactly how easy it is to take it on and off in a couple minutes or less. Go through the steps of how the backhoe frame mounts and everything, so you at home can do this, or if you're looking at purchasing one, know how easy it is for yourself to take on and off the backhoe. So in the front here we have a frame. When you have a backhoe on this tractor, this little C-clamp hook right here stays on the tractor. Although if you need to take it off, you can, but it's cradling this frame right here. There's no pin anywhere up front here. It's just simply holding itself in right there, so you can see that. Take those 3 bolts out and that whole C-clamp comes out. It goes side to side. And then back here there's 2 pins, and those pins lock the whole frame in so we'll see the pins down there, okay, down by the left or right of your drawbar area. You'll see those 2 pins, one on each side. Okay, so, and there's cotter pins underneath those that we would take out. And then you set your outriggers down and then set your boom down to relieve the pressure, disconnect the hydraulic lines on the back of the tractor, and drive forward. Now, something a lot of manufacturers don't offer is a backhoe that is mounted, but also keeping your 3-point hitch arms on the backhoe. A lot of other companies out there, when you take on and off a backhoe, you're needing to take the 3-point hitch arms on and off as well. So most companies, you can't just say, take off your backhoe and back into your brush hog and start mowing. Most companies, you got to get on the, get the 3-point hitch arms out, bolt them up or what have you, or pin them on. Whereas this tractor, they stay on 24/7 with a backhoe and without. All right, so watch, we'll go through the steps, and we're going to take this thing on, and then we'll take this thing off, and then we're going to put it back on. First, he's going to take down that latch there, so we can let the boom out here. He's going to set the boom down. Okay. Next, he's going to take the locks off these outriggers here on both sides to relieve the pressure even more. The point on doing this is you don't really want to actually pick up the tractor at all, really. You just want to relieve the pressure in that frame there. Now he's going to come over and pull these pins. There's a cotter pin underneath, but he's going to pull that out and pull these in. Now we have 2 pins that are actually disconnected from the tractor. All we got left is the hydraulic lines there. So you're going to put it in a low gear. Notice it's kind of staying with the tractor. The pressure wasn't totally released yet. Now we're going to see backhoe staying there. You want to come out about a foot, maybe give or take like we just did here. And then you got to shut off the tractor, and you got to disconnect the hydraulic lines. So there are quick disconnects right here. We're going to disconnect those. And if there still is pressure in there, you can wiggle the joysticks to try and release the pressure. Now our backhoe is pretty much fully disconnected, with the exception of still being half-ass under the tractor here. So I'm going to take this off now. And just like that, your backhoe is basically fully off. Once it hit right there, all we needed to do was put the backhoe down a little bit further so it didn't hit the bottom frame. And he could have kept driving back, but now he's going to back it back on, as if he was, brush hogging, and now he's coming back to put his backhoe back on. You got to have you got to get this lined up right here, this C section if that wasn't lined up, like for instance, if he ran around and drove this for a while and these arms sagged a little bit, he would need to shut off, or he need to set the parking brake and mess around with the joysticks to pick this back up a little bit so it's even going to go in that C channel. If you got two guys doing it, it makes life a lot easier to see, but of course one guy can do this fully. The first time you do it, it'll be quite hard, probably 20-30 minutes, but after that, it's a 5-10 minute job at most once you get the hang of it. So you're just putting the hydraulics back in there. Now he's going to drop his pins back in on each side. Kioti CK2610 for all of the above. This is the same exact design on all their Kioti tractors with their backhoe design. It's back on and off in about 5 to 10 minutes. Very simple design. I'm Marshall from Orchard Hill Farm Equipment. If we can help you out with anything else, give us a call at 413-253-5456 or give us a call.